Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to scan a QR code on Facebook using the latest version of the app. Whether you're connecting with someone new or accessing a page through a QR code, this simple method will get you set up in seconds. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account before you start. Once the app loads, look toward the top right corner of your screen and tap on the messages icon. That's the little speech bubble symbol that takes you into Facebook Messenger. When Messenger opens, tap on the menu icon. You'll find it at the top left or top right, depending on your device. This menu gives you access to several helpful tools and settings, but for this process, we're focused on one specific option. Now, look at the top of the screen and tap on the small QR icon. This icon is what lets you create or scan QR codes directly within Facebook Messenger. Once you tap it, you'll see two options. One to show your own QR code, and one to scan someone else's. To scan a code, tap the QR icon at the top again. Your camera will open automatically, ready to scan. Hold your phone steady, and point the camera at the QR code you want to scan. Within a few moments, Facebook will instantly recognize it and take you to the connected profile, page, or link. That's all it takes. In just a few taps, you can use the built-in scanner to add friends, visit profiles, or access special content shared through QR codes. No extra apps or tools required. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick updates on Facebook and other social media tips. Thanks for watching.